Hello friends, myself Dr. Hemant Sharma, and today I am going to explain you how to score excellent rank in NEET PG 2024 exam, or how to crack this exam in a single first attempt. Guys, this video is for those who are repeater. They took exam multiple time, multiple attempts, and those who are beginners, first time they are going to sit in an exam. Don't skip this video. This video help you to crack this exam. Okay, one more thing, guys, if you start from today, this program is for you. So guys, firstly I'm going to explain you have to cover one liners. Okay, I provide you 800 one liners from 8 small subjects, because in NEET PG 2024 exam, from past 5 years, they are direct questions from a small subject. From a small subject they ask direct questions. And one more thing, I provide you 30 minutes single revision video also. All 19 subjects are included there. All 19 subjects, 30-minute rapid revision. Also 500 videos, recorded videos I provide you. So your target is to finish 100 one-liners in one day. Also 30-minute revision video in one day. 2 days are remaining. In one day, when you are finishing 800 one-liners, one rapid revision video, try to finish 100 recorded videos also. Then 2 days left, you have to watch all 200, total 400. So guys, you have to study hard. At least 10 to 12 hours a day you have to study in last 3-4 days. And when you are going to start an exam, take proper rest and sleep. So guys, this subscription program will help you to crack excellent rank in exam. Fee of this subscription program is 3000 now only. Earlier is 5000, but now is 3000. So how to join this subscription program? Details available in description of video. So how to study all 19 subject, 500 recorded videos I provide you. 8 small subject, 800 one-liners I provide you. 100 one-liners from each subject. Total 8 subject, 800 one-liners. Definitely you are going to receive questions from that one-liners. And 500 videos. So these videos are enough to score excellent rank. Yes, these videos are enough to score excellent rank below 3000. If you plan to secure your rank, if you want to study in a right path, this subscription program is for you. How to join this subscription program? Details available in description of this video, and helpline WhatsApp number is for also there. You can write message there. So guys, if you are interested and if you want to consume your last 3-4 days or 3 days, then this program is for you. And how to crack this exam, I provide you some tricks also. Maybe 24 hours before exam you can contact me and ask how to crack and how to score excellent rank. This option is available for those who took my subscription. Thank you. Good day. Goodbye. Dhanyavad. Thank you.